Can a purple octopus help you find your best photos? Of course he can, with the Ollie AI Photo Organising app. We seem to be on a constant mission to be able to find our best photos because, let's face it, we are taking so many photos nowadays. So trying to keep on top of it is a total challenge. The phone apps are trying to help us with things like media types, search functions, and duplicate removing apps in the case of Apple Photos, but it seems to be an uphill struggle, which is why I am excited to check out the Ollie AI Photo Organising app, which promises to be a bit different. But does it live up to the name? What is the Ollie AI Photo Organising app? The Ollie AI Photo Organising app is a little bit of a mouthful to say, so I'm just going to call it the Ollie app, which is what the creators also call it as well. As the long name would imply, it uses AI to automatically favourite your best photo and delete your worst, but you still keep control. But stop. Before you feel the cold fear of the word AI, hang on in there. Ollie runs completely on your device. Your photos are not loaded or stored on their servers like some other AI bots out there, so you can take a deep breath. It works with iCloud and Google Photos, and the photos stay exactly where they are on your apps. You just sort with the Ollie layer over the top. So how does Ollie find your best photos?
So how does Ollie find my photos? Once you've downloaded the app and gone through all the intro screens, giving it access to what you want, there is quite a few things going on. But to focus you on your sorting, you have a couple of ways to access your photos. First, you have the timeline where you can sort chronologically, so tap to view, and then you can pick a month and go through each month. And if you've already started the sorting, there is a continue sorting button back at the front. So if we go back, you can see this little circle at the top, that's where you left off. But you also have the featured albums of things like on this day or screenshots, etc., where you can go and sort in specific areas that the AI has grouped your photos into. Screenshots, etc. is the AI doing its business looking for blurry photos, screenshots, documents, receipts. You know, all that stuff that you really don't want. When you go into one of these areas, so I'm going to go and look at September, Ollie makes suggestions of what you might want to get rid of and what you want to keep. But remember, you have the final say on each photo. When it's time to sort, you only put them into 3 different groups. Favorites, which is the filled in heart, keep is the open heart, and trash is the trash icon. If you are happy with what Ollie suggests, then you just tap looks great and approve. But if you don't agree, as I said, you have the final say. You can tap on individual photos on the icon and it will cycle round your options, or you can review them one by one at the bottom. So click on a little icon and then you can scroll through which photos you want. And as you scroll through, you can change it to a favorite, a heart, whatever works for you. Back in the screen, you will see that Ollie will also stack stuff if your photos are related. The AI will group these photos together, so if they are the same moment, taken within a few seconds each other, and it will pick what it considers your favourite. So the screen looks so much less cluttered already. But you can unstack these by just tapping on the stack and they will expand out. Every time you make a change, Ollie learns the types of photos you prefer. So the more you use it, the more Ollie learns what you like and what you don't like. Once you have finished your sorting, you can share your photos directly from the Ollie app into any app or messenger service, and the person you're sending it to doesn't need to have the Ollie app. Just go to your favorites area through the heart at the bottom menu of the home screen and select the photos. Then go to share and select where you want to send the photos from. But you could also add it to an album from this area by clicking on the More button in the bottom right hand corner, and you can even edit the photos here as well. But the other important point of our sorting is to actually delete the photos. And in Ollie, you need to empty the trash, as until you empty that trash, they kind of stay in limbo. So go to the trash area on the top of the home page and empty it. They are then deleted and off your phone, gone. Well, you still have the normal 30 days sat in recently deleted if you change your mind. So don't worry. Oh, and if you need a little reminder every day to sort your photos, you can also set a reminder at a time you want by going to the settings icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen and then controls. Then select the type and time you want your reminder to be, and Ollie will give you a gentle reminder when it's time to sort your photos.
My view on the Ollie app. The Ollie app is something really new and different, and I love that the AI is learning about your favourite photos as you sort. It's also great that it stays on your phone and you don't have to load it to any other service, so it's just like using an AI layer on top. As I'm a fan of the daily delete, the on this day area is a really great way to quickly look and delete your photos, so you can totally keep on top of your sorting. Unfortunately, like anything, you do have to pay to be able to use the app. Annually, it's just under $40, or you can pay $3.99 a month. But hey, nothing in life is free, especially when it comes to your photos. However, you can try it free for 3 days to see whether you like what you're getting before you invest. For me, the only true negative is that it's only available on iPhone. So all those Android users out there are going to just have to watch on with envy. I think the Ollie app is great, and I really think you should give it a go because, to be honest, how can a purple octopus that is this cute be wrong? Well, you have found your best photos, but there is no point in keeping them stuck on your phone. Why not check out this video next on how to enjoy and share your photos? If you enjoyed this video, go ahead with a like, a share, and please subscribe. Have fun rediscovering your memories. I'll see you in my next video.